Hi guys, and welcome back to Black Stag Styling. Thank you for joining us for another one of our lovely videos, and it's a pleasure on this occasion to have a lovely Suzuki Jimny in with us. We haven't got any of these on the channel. We are desperate to do some styling, so if you are watching this video and you've got one of these, want to do some styling on it, please do give us a shout. Might even be able to get it featured on our YouTube channel. But on this occasion, this one is in for some sound deadening. So we've got our Dynamat, as we're a Dynamat dealer. We've got our Dynamat we're going to be installing. It's a full install on this. Floor, doors, roof, and we've got two types of Dynamat we're using, but we'll go through that in a minute. Thank you for checking out the video. We're going to get it into the workshop, so like and subscribe, and we'll get cracking. Roll the intros.
Right, so we've got this lovely looking little Suzuki Jimny in for all the Dynamat. So we are going to completely strip out the interior, including the headlining, door cards, boot card, everything really is being done. We're doing two different stages with this one. So we have the ordinary Dynamat Xtreme, which is the first layer, which is this sort of thin batt tin stuff with tar on. That's basically the easiest way of describing it. And then on the second layer, we're going with the thermo acoustic 1/4 inch.
There somewhere. Here, yeah. There it is. Let's have a look at it. Just show the thickness of it out again. Nice.
1/4 inch, eh?
1/4 inch.
So yeah, as I say, it's a lot of stripping on this one. So we'll get all the interior out and crack on with it. Doing it for a customer called Peter. Very nice bloke. He's actually brought some cake in as well. Look at this.
Oh.
So we've promised him we're going to do a little bit of work though before we touch the cake, so we'll save that for this afternoon, I think.
That's it. We got coffee and walnut.
Coffee and walnut and a fruity one. A little fruity one.
A little fruity number.
Yeah, a little fruity number. But yeah, lovely looking vehicle. This is nice wheels on it. Little spotlights on the front. Lovely looking little thing.
So
yeah, we'll crack on.
Cracking, shall we, pal?
We'll show you the video as we go through.
Right, we're over with Bill. As you can see, he's already started stripping everything.
Oh yes.
How we doing, pal?
We're doing very well. We've stripped down the tailgate, we've stripped down this inner floor bit, side panels.
Nice.
Lovely, and there was a nice, don't know if you saw earlier, but there was a nice little bulkhead up here with a little bit of shelving.
We didn't, but yes, oh, that's just down here. I'll pan down to that. It's just down there. Look.
Which looks actually very nice. We enjoyed that. And yes, we're now about to get this trim out here, which then leads down and comes down the B-pillar.
Superb, mate, superb. Whip her out, Bill.
Yep. Very nice.
What do these like to work on, mate? Not too bad?
Oh, these are lovely. They're probably one of my favourites to work on.
Plenty of room to get in to do everything.
Plenty of room, all nice, easily done. In the sense of manufacturers aren't putting silly things in.
Nice. And like I say, got a rear panel off the rear door. Look. Superb, mate, superb. I'll tell you what, we'll check back with you in a minute.
Okie dokie, see you soon.
Right, so Billy has been stripping all the interior out. We've got seats all gone. Here he is, the door cards off. Carpet out. Look at that, look, there's your floor. We've just got headlining to remove as well. Back's all stripped out, and in actual fact, Sam's already on it, hasn't he, Sam? He's on it over here, getting the Dynamat Xtreme in. It's all down there on the floor, on the protective paper, and then he's already getting some in as we speak. Look, here he is. Lovely. There's a bit already in and roll it on.
Simply lovely.
There we go. We'll have a little look from this angle. Look, we'll change the angle. Hello, Sam. So there we go. Getting that all in. So the whole floor and side, rear quarters and doors will all be done with this, and the roof. And then we've got the Dynaliner as well. Right, here we go. Guys are now getting the headlining out. Everything's unclipped. There we go, look. Bill's going to pass that through to Tommy at the back.
You want to go the other way? Okay. There's more thing to the door.
Oh. And then we can get the roof all done as well. The Dynaliner we're using is 1/4 inch, as Ad had said. And we'll also, in the winter, help it keep a bit warmer in here, as well as acoustically helping. Hello, Tommy.
Hello, Bob. Right.
Yeah, ma'am. There we go, all out. There we go, the old to me to you.
To me. So wrap it up with a bit of that.
The guys will just put that safely out the way, and then they'll carry on getting everything fitted. Right, so Sam's now doing the Dynamat on the roof. There we go, it's actually got the rest of the roof's all got Dynamat on now. So that's all looking good. Going to roll that all in place. Done some of the sections in the boot. There we go, look. All nicely rolled it in. Fraser's on it as well, look. There he is, giving all the clean. Sam's just rolling it all on nicely. Yeah. Quite a bit still left to do. So we'll crack on. Right, so Sam is now installing the Dynaliner to go over the top of the Dynamat Xtreme. Just adding an extra layer of sound protection, acoustic, make the acoustics in the vehicle much better, insulation. So yeah, a number of different things really. Keep it a bit cooler in the summer, and then keep some temperature, higher temperature in the winter as well. But of course, particularly will be the sound deadening side of it. So then get this all sort of rolling into position. We get the roof all finished, and then it'll be moving into the finish the floors off. Floors have still got to have the Dynamat Xtreme, which I think Fraser's on right now.
I'm working on it, mate. We're getting there. Looking lovely at the minute.
Lovely.
I don't know if it's been brought up in this video. Maybe check out the video for that one. You want to win yourself a mug.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little live competition, people. Get money out. You don't even need it. It's free. Check that one out. The Volkswagen
T6.1. That's the one.
Check out that video. Make yourself a winner. Don't be a loser like Sam.
I'm proud of it, right?
Right, okay, so the Dynaliner is now into the floor sections. Look at that, lovely. Sam's left the back bit because there's a trim section fits all in there. Got some Dynaliner in the side panels as well. Of course, roof's all done. Sam's now fitting it into this side. So just putting the Xtreme in, and then the Dynaliner will go on top of that. Rear door, inner section's all done. You can just about see it all through the holes. Bit of a squeeze in there because there's not a huge amount of room. So it's got that all in there. And then we come over to the doors. So as you've seen, Fraser was doing this section of the floor yesterday. So that's got the Dynamat Xtreme in. And then the doors have now got the Dynamat Xtreme sections in. And they've still got some Dynaliner put into there as well. that's coming along very nicely. We do also have in with us this lovely Transporter T6.1, in for a lot of styling. We've got new bumpers, grills, bits being painted, colour coded, all sorts of stuff. So check that out on the channel. That will be on there as well, with lots of other T6s. But we'll leave Sam cracking on with the Jimny. Right, we're now on the last bits on the little Jimny. Sam's just getting the last bits of Dynamat in. And then we've got the last bits of the Dynaliner to go in the floor. And we're on the one door left to finish, and then we will be time to get everything back together. So all the Dynamatting and Dynaliner is now all installed. Thought we'd just give you a little look around the vehicle with it all in. So you can see with it all done. Doors, insides of the doors, in case anyone's wondering why there's nothing on the outside. You want me to get the door cards on if we do that. So all on the inside, you've got all the floor. And don't forget you've got a Dynamat Xtreme underneath. Guys and girls, that brings us to the end of another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling. Thank you for checking it out. It's been lovely having a little Suzuki Jimny in with us. We don't see many of these in the workshop for styling and work, so if you've got one, I think I said at the beginning of the video, please do give us a shout. Loads of styling options we can do with these, but on this occasion this little beauty has been in because there's a fair amount of road noise comes from it. They do tend to be a little bit tinny. So we have supplied and installed our Dynamat Xtreme and our Dynaliner as well, just to finish it all off. Everything then reinstalled and cleaned, made to look lovely. and now ready to go back to the customer. So Adam is off in a moment to go pick him up, as he's been staying locally whilst we've been doing the work. If there's any styling we can help with your vehicles, we have some fantastic local accommodation and pubs and restaurants which will happily point you in the right direction of, so you can stay whilst we do the work. Yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the old channel, turn the notifications on. We'll give you a last look around this little beauty, and we'll catch you again soon. Take care. Bye bye now.